Hello, construction students. I wanted to go over with you what is due for next week for the remote learning. I always like to start with done and how things look when you're done. So notice that we're in the done part. In Schoology, you will have 4 folders. When you are done with the employee application, you will have filled out the folder and you will have saved it, and then you will have turned it in through Schoology. When you are done with the video quizzes, you will have watched 3 different quizzes, miter saw, jigsaw, and the measurement, and you will have completed the questions in the video. So there's no questions on the side. The questions are embedded in the videos that you will watch. Once you've completed those videos, that will automatically show up in Schoology. There's nothing you need to do there. The other thing you need to do, I prepared for you 3 stacks of flashcards. When you're in the construction industry, you really want to know terms. I don't expect you to memorize all these terms by the next time, but I really suggest that you use these stacks of flashcards to begin to study. A great time to study is right before you go to bed. It kind of stays in your head. Using those stacks of flashcards, you can open the quiz in Schoology. It's a picture quiz, and you can complete the test. You can take this quiz as many times as you want to. If you get an F and you'd like to make it better, look at your answers, see what you got wrong, retake the quiz until you like your score. I put a website in here for you to begin to practice measuring. Often we haven't practiced measuring since we were in elementary school. It's called the Fun Brain, and it's called Measure It. And I'd love, if you know you need practice on measuring, go in there and do a couple slides. It's a game. And so it's something that you can practice. Then we're going to go all the way to get ready. What are the things you're going to need to do to get ready to get these things done? You're going to need your computer or your phone. You're going to need to sign in to Cherry Creek, My Cherry Creek, and you're going to need to go to Schoology. Then you are going to need to log into courses at the top in Schoology, and then you're going to need to select Construction 1, whatever your section is. In there, you're going to see one red folder that says Do These for Week 2, and you're going to see 4 folders. That's what you need to do to get ready, and then you're ready to do it. So if I go back to do here, first thing you're going to do in employability is watch a video I made about how to fill out an application and make it look great. Make it one that the boss is going to say, okay, they filled everything out. They know what they're doing. You're going to get the application off Schoology on your computer. You're going to fill it out on your computer. Then you're going to save it to your computer. Then you're going to go back to Schoology in the employability section. You're going to hit submit assignment. Then you're going to upload the file. Make sure you go to this yellow one and not the microphone. And then once it's there, you're going to hit submit. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to watch. You're going to look at the vocabulary cards. Again, I suggest that you study these on a regular basis. But there's a quiz in that folder that you're going to take. Again, you can take that as many times as you need to. For the video quizzes, there's 3 videos: measurement, miter saw, and jigsaw. The questions are in the videos. The video will stop and ask you a question. If you get it wrong, it's going to give you the right answer, so you'll know what you got wrong. Then the other thing is, I really encourage some of you, even if you think you're the best in the world, go to this Measure It webpage that I put there. There's an easy, medium, and advanced. If you think you're really good, do some of the advanced. Looking at 32nd of an inch and 16th of an inch. Easy is going to start with a 1/2 of an inch and 1/4 of an inch. So that is kind of a tour of what you need to do to get everything done. You can always come back to this that is posted or watch this video again if you get confused. Thanks a lot.